Welcome viewers to My Startup TV. I'm your host Abhishek. Top headlines for today are: IIT Hyderabad Incubator F4Care Innovation Private Limited launches affordable and long-lasting hygienic products. Amazon Web Services launches Amazon Digital Suite in India. Google commits funds for 250,000 COVID-19 vaccine delivery in low and middle income countries. News for today are: F4Care Innovation Private Limited, a startup incubated at IIT Hyderabad, has developed Zero-Kial long-lasting technologies to combat COVID-19 virus spread. The price of the product starts at 189 rupees. The range includes surface disinfect hand sanitizer, antiviral coating spray for mask and long-lasting foam hand sanitizer for sensitive and baby skin. All the products ensure instant killing and prolonged protection during the pandemic. Amazon Web Services has launched a low-cost software suite for small and medium-sized businesses in India to help them digitize their operations and bring their businesses online. The platform is called Amazon Digital Suite and will provide a selection of business software from 7 domestic AWS partners across areas such as accounting, customer support, and human resources. Google has pledged funds for 250,000 COVID vaccinations and technical assistance towards vaccine delivery in low and middle income countries. Due to a surge in infections across the world, it is also helping to fund pop-up vaccine sites in the US and committing an additional $250 million in ad grants to connect people to accurate vaccine information. Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology Startup Hub, in collaboration with La French Tech Bengaluru, have launched the Indo-French Tech program to support Indo-French startups. It is also for facilitating a rapid convergence of the French and Indian startup ecosystems and establishing linkages between India and French incubators and startups. The program is jointly supported by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology of India and the French government. Food tech giant Zomato has become a public limited company from a private company. It is the company's next step to go for an initial public offering. It is likely to go public this year. Zomato is planning to raise $750 million to $1 billion via primary stake sale. Flipkart has launched grocery services in Pune, claiming that it can manage over 6,000 orders per day. According to a statement, a dedicated grocery fulfillment center in Pune is expected to boost local employment. The Pune Grocery Fulfillment Center is spread across an area of nearly 72,000 square feet. Apple recently launched a $200 million restore fund along with Conservation International and Goldman Sachs to remove carbon from the atmosphere, while generating a financial return for investors. The Carbon Removal Initiative Restore Fund will make investments in forestry projects. It aims to remove at least 1 million metric tons of carbon dioxide annually from the atmosphere, equivalent to the amount of fuel used by over 2 lakh passenger vehicles, while demonstrating a valuable financial model that can help scale up investment in forest restoration, a statement said. At $40 million, 9 unicorns have announced the third close of its first accelerator fund for idea stage startups in India. The third close witnessed participation from global and Indian industrialists and businesses who are bullish on the high growth potential of early stage startups. Some of the key LPs include snack maker Haldiram's Indian Bank, Ahmedabad-based Chona Family Office, among others prominent ones. Valuing the food delivery app at $5 billion, Japanese conglomerate SoftBank is planning to invest about $450 million in Swiggy. The latest investment is said to be an extension of Swiggy's $800 million round announced by the company co-founder and CEO Sri Harsha Majety. The company has already raised the first tranche of its round earlier this week. SoftBank has decided to back Swiggy as it is looking to diversify its offering with quick grocery delivery service, Instamart and Daily Essentials Delivery Super Daily, besides food delivery and cloud kitchen access. Fuel Buddy announced raising 12.5 crore rupees from investors, including the Jaipuria family office. Fuel Buddy is a pioneer in the fuel delivery industry in India. The Delhi-based company is an app-based IoT and cloud-enabled fuel delivery service. That's all for today. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can also follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.